The workout we have for you this week is going to be very much centered around the base principles. So stability, core, balance, which is another less fancy word for stability, but don't sleep on it. A lot of people, when they go ahead and they hear that word base around a workout, they're thinking to themselves, it's going to be on the easy side. This definitely isn't going to be that, because yes, you're going to challenge yourself as far as your stability and your core goes. And when you do movements like that, you only get out of it what you put into it. So if you really challenge yourself, you challenge your movements, you change the tempo of the work to really make it harder or easier depending on what you need, then you're going to get a good workout out of it. However, this workout also has some good metabolic work in there. A lot of people don't think that a base workout, something that can challenge that stability in that core and center around that, can also come into play and give you a really tough time when it comes to building that metabolic rate. And this one's going to prove to you that that's not necessarily true. Okay, so we have 3 rounds for you. The last round is actually going to be the finisher round. The first 2 are going to be the ones that we're going to be more controlled. So they're 3 exercises each, all right? And the first 2 rounds are just going to be 35 seconds on, 25 seconds off. You're going to do those back to back. Then you go ahead and take a break. And then you come back and you do the same 3 exercises, 2 more rounds, 45 seconds on, 25 seconds each. And you do those back to back. So it's 2 back-to-back rounds with a break in between. That's group number 1, over, done, got 4 rounds in. Now we're moving on to group number 2. Same thing. Set that flex timer back to 35-25, 2 back-to-back rounds, take a breather, shake those legs out, grab a drink, and then 45-25. Then you're going to move into the finisher, okay? Now the finisher, I'm going to get a little more in depth on the finisher video, so make sure you're watching that. But the finisher video, or the finisher, is going to be, again, 3 exercises. And it's going to be done starting at 30 on, 30 off. Okay, so you're going to do all 3 exercises, 30 seconds each. Get a 30-second break in between. Then we're going to bump it up. And you're going to go 40 seconds on. Break period stays at 30. Then you're going to bump it up, and we're going to go 50 seconds on. Break period stays at 30. So 3 rounds of that one. It's going to be fun. It takes you about 45 minutes, 45 minutes, depending on how fast you want to push yourself. It is a great workout. Wonderful one to either start or end the week on, depending on how hard you've been pushing your training in between.